Okay, so I am discussing with you how we can mm, how, how the cloud computing is used. So you go to the you yes, first for using the cloud computing, the only thing you need to have is the internet connection, and the second thing is a web browser. What are the two things you need to have for you for using cloud computing? An internet connection and a web browser. Web browser like Google Chrome, right? Google Chrome that I am using right now is a web browser. Apple Safari is a web browser. Internet Explorer is a web browser. Opera is a web browser. But here in Pakistan, uh, I think more than 60 or 80% use Google Chrome, right? Now, you have, and for using the cloud computing application, you must have your Gmail account, means your any email account, right? So I have my Gmail account, I have signed in. Now, how I can use a cloud computing application for word processing? See this? Suppose no Microsoft Word is installed in my computer, no Microsoft Excel is installed in my computer. Still, I can work on this. How? When you sign in and you go to the, this is called Google Apps button. What is it called? Google Apps button. You go to the Google Apps button, and actually these all are cloud computing application. You can see these all are cloud computing application: Google Classroom, Google Drive, YouTube, Google Meeting. These all are cloud computing application. Now, what you want, you can do here. The dock is shown here. The other way is to open Google Drive. Google Drive. You have opened a Google Drive, right? This is my Google Drive. And one thing more, as I said you that in cloud computing, you don't need to save your work on your PC. You don't need to worry about saving your work, your data on your device. For that purpose, Google give you 15 GB. See this here, it is written 15 GB. Can you see it? Please reply. Anyone, please reply.
Yes, sir.
Can you see it? 15 GB. So
Yes, sir. Yes.
I have used 5.4 GB of the free 15 GB that was given to me by the Google, right? So whenever you create a Gmail account, 15 GB memory space is given to you for every user. For every Gmail user, 15 GB space is given. But this space is not on your PC. It is on the Google server, Google supercomputer, right? So whatever you work on using cloud computing application, it is saved on that server, on that supercomputer. Now, how can I use Word? Said, suppose, as I said a little bit earlier, that suppose you don't have any, I don't have any Microsoft installed on my computer, and I want to draft a letter. I want to draft an application. So how can I do it? See this. I'll go to the new button, right? And these are the this is the actually cloud computing application. That is the replacement of Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Google Doc, right? I will go to the Google Doc and then blank document and from a template. Template means you can say, you can, for example, you are typing a biodata for job resume, then it will help you to just change your name, address, and so, and the biodata will be ready. so this is the way of using a template. But if you are using a blank document, then a blank page will be open. I am using a blank document, right? I am repeating. I first sign into the Gmail account. I went to the uh, Google Apps button, and for Docs, I could click on this application directly, but I went to the Google Drive. Then from Google Drive, from the new button, I select Google Doc and then blank. Now, what happened that a new blank document is created. Can you see that its interface is similar, not same? It's similar to Microsoft Word. Like a blank page is shown with cursor, you have the file menu, you have the format menu, you have the insert menu, and so on. So what I said, that its interface, its command is its command is its interface is similar to Microsoft Word. Now, what I am doing, see this. uh, I'm writing about uh, data communication errors, right? Uh, error. Checking method, right? Now, see this. The way in the you can do formatting in Microsoft Word. For example, I want to make data communication bold, italic. I want to increase the font. I can do it. I want to change the color. I can do it, like text color. I can do all the thing nearly. I'm using the word nearly all the thing you can do, you do with Microsoft Word, you can do with Google Docs. But remember, this is not an a Microsoft application. This is Google application, and this application is Google Docs. And this Google Docs application is not installed in your computer. You are using I am using this application by going to the server of Google, right? So all the thing you can do now. How you save the file here? Uh, for example, I want it data file one, right? Data from file. So this is the name of my file. Now, one important thing, as I said you, that you don't need to bother about the saving of your file. See, this is the important thing. Last edit was seconds ago. Whatever you type, for example, I just type a single key K. See this? After a second, this K will be even saved. So, for example, light is gone on my side, and whatever thing has happened, my computer broke down or any other mishap occur, I and I want to work on this file, I won't be worried, because I will go to any other computer, and I will just sign into my Google account, Gmail account, and I will go to the My Drive, and I can open it. Let me show you. For example, I am closing this file, this one, close. I am closing this file. Now, when I go to the My Drive, right, and I uh, see the recent file, see this datacom file is shown here. Suppose I'm on some other computer, right? So I will just log on to that computer, log on to my Gmail account, and then go to the Google Drive, and from the recent file, I will have this file, and I can open and I can work on it. So I don't have the application, and I don't need to save the data. These two tasks are being performed by the Google. What I just need to concentrate on my work. This was all about cloud computing. Cloud computing. So I hope you have some idea of cloud computing. Do you have? Please reply me and tell me, do you understand now what is cloud computing? Yes, Hasnain Arshad, mic has
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Abdullah Sharafat, please tell, or Jawad Nasir, do you get the idea of cloud computing? नहीं आया तो भाई बोल दो नहीं आया, ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये बोल दो. Yes, Jawad Nasir.
आ गया सर, समझ में आ गया.
No, I'm asking Jawad Nasir. He's not
Yes,
replying.
sir. आ गया sir.
Okay, fine. So, like you can, one thing more, like you can, let me show you my browser window. In the same way, as I open word processing application, I could open other application like Google Sheet. Google Sheet, that is equivalent to what? Which application? Excel. Google Sheet is equivalent to Excel application. Let me open it. Blank application, and you can see that a spreadsheet application is open, and this application I am using cloud computing, right? Using cloud computing, I am doing this. Now I want to give you a short assignment. I have given in to your Google Classroom. You can see that I want you to make a short test. How look at this. There is another application that is called Google Forms. What is it called? Google Form. Suppose I want to take your test. I want to take your test of chapter number 2, data communication, error checking method, internet technologies. And one way is, the older way is that I made a file and then I email to you, you gave the answer, and then you send the reply to me. This was, you can say, old technology. Now the latest way is to do is to use using cloud computing. Now the Google Forms, like a Google Doc for word processing, Google Form is getting the response from your client. Uh, in my case, you are my client. My student are my client. I want to uh, check your responses. Okay, I am making a short test. How? I will go to the again Google Drive, new button, and Google Forms, and from Google Form I will select blank form. Right? This is another cloud computing application. Now, how will you make the test? For example, first you can, uh, for example, uh, name the test. For example, data com test, right? Data com test, that data communication test. Okay, fine. Next, you will add question to it. You will add question. How? For example, uh, you can say uh, any other any question. For example, in in simplex in simplex in simplex, data can be sent in both direction, right? Now you can make it a true false. There are different ways to make a test, but for the time being, I am asking you to just make a true false question, right? In simplex transmission, data can be sent in both direction. Now you will write the options. First, true, and the second one is false. Okay, second one is false. Now you will add this plus button to add a new question. For example, another test, you will go say parallel parallel sorry again parallel communication. Parallel communication is slower than slower than serial. Okay, in the same way, you can, from chapter number 2, you can easily find 10 true false question. So I will just stop on 2 question. You first say, okay, this is true, right? Or it is a false. In the same way, and if I click on the third plus button, another question you can add. So you get how to add question in Google form. Do you know now? Please reply. Do you know
Yes, sir.
how to open a
Yes, sir.
Google
Yes,
form?
sir.
How to you will open a Google form using this new button, blank document, and you will
Yes, sir.
name the file data communication test 2, or you can write, for example, datacom Shah Alam. You can do like this. But first you need to sign into your Gmail account. Is it clear to you? First you need to sign into your Gmail account. Like I am signing with my Gmail account. My Gmail account is shown here, right? I am signing with this is my Gmail account, Hamud7778. Okay. Now in the same way you can write 10 questions. Okay, when you are finished, now you will send this form. You will now and you don't need to worry about the changes. Your changes will be saved automatically after every second. Okay. Now after making 10 question, you will find easily 10 question from chapter number 2, any true false question, and you will now send this form. uh, Now what will you do? uh, okay, you just save this changes have been saved. Now you can, what you can do, you will just close the file and go to your Google Drive. You can go to the recent document, right? This is datacom test is shown here. You can see this was the datacom file. Now what will you do? You will get its shareable link. Get shareable link. You will click on it, right click, get shareable link, and inshallah I will upload the today's videos lecture on your Google form through, and you can see on your YouTube, Google Class stream. Now get the link. You will write, uh, you will here you will make a change that anyone with the link. Okay, anyone with the link, and here it should be editor. Please remember, it should be editor. Okay, and then copy the link, copy the URL, copy the copy URL, copy link. Fine. This copy link you will send to the Google Classroom. This grade 10, you will go to the classwork, right? When you go to the classwork, you will see the assignment, right, using Google form. and when you see the assignment here you are जैसे आप कोई फाइल अटैच करते हैं इसी तरह से इधर राइट क्लिक का ऑप्शन में आपको लिंक का भी ऑप्शन आता है, राइट, लिंक ऑप्शन आता है और वहां से आप इस लिंक को पेस्ट कर देंगे, राइट। तो इस तरह से काम होगा। जैसे आपको अगर थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूजन है तो मैं इसको दोबारा एक और चीज में समझ, जैसे ये वाला है, ये दूसरी क्लासरूम खोल रहा हूँ, इसमें मुझे एक असाइनमेंट मिला क्लास पर, राइट, मुझे कोई असाइनमेंट मिला, राइट। अब असाइनमेंट में मैं गया, राइट, इसमें आ रहा है व्यू असाइनमेंट। व्यू असाइनमेंट में जैसे आप वो गूगल फॉर्म वाले असाइनमेंट में जाएंगे तो योर वर्क यहां पर आएगा ऐड और क्रिएट, एज यू डू ऐड एंड क्रिएट। ऐड और क्रिएट में लिंक आएगा, लिंक, राइट, यहां पर आप वो पेस्ट मारेंगे, वहां यहां पर आप वो पेस्टिंग करेंगे, वो जो लिंक आपने कॉपी किया था, और आप ऐड लिंक कर देंगे, सबमिट कर देंगे। तो मेरे पास आपके गूगल फॉर्म का जो आपने टेस्ट का गूगल फॉर्म बनाया होगा उसका लिंक आ जाएगा। दैट इज द असाइनमेंट। नाउ कैन यू डू इट? बताएं भाई आपने करना क्या है। गूगल फॉर्म यूज करते हुए एक आपने 10 क्वेश्चन का एक ट्रू फॉल्स का छोटा सा क्विज बनाना है और उस क्विज का
सर कौन से
लिंक
टॉपिक डेटाबेस लेंगे क्या, या कोई सा भी ले सकते हैं?
चैप्टर नंबर 2 पूरा पूरा चैप्टर नंबर 2 में से कोई से भी 10 क्वेश्चन आप उठा लो, जैसे मैंने उठाए ना 2 क्वेश्चन के सिंपलेक्स,
चैप्टर नंबर 2
कोई से भी 10 क्वेश्चन उठा लो चैप्टर नंबर 2 में से,
ओके सर।
ठीक है, और उसका लिंक
सबमिट
इधर
कराना
शेयर
है?
कर। ये आप विद इन अ वीक सबमिट करा दे। मकसद ये आपका
ठीक है।
मकसद मुझे आपको क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग से वाकिफ कराना था। गूगल फॉर्म वगैरह ये सब लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं, ये आपको आनी चाहिए, ठीक है।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
now I'm ending the class, but hold on, I'm
Yes, sir.
just take your snap, alter print. Now you can leave the class. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज।